This is a number composed by Lennon and McCartney of the Beatles, and it's called Here, There and Everywhere. To lead a better life, I need my love to be here. Here, making each day of the year, changing my life with a wave of her hand. Nobody can deny that there's something there. There, running my hand through her hair, both of us thinking how good it can be. Someone is speaking, but she doesn't know he's there. I want her everywhere. She's beside me, I know I need never care. But to love her is to need her everywhere, knowing that love is to share. Each one believing that love never dies, watching her eyes and hoping I'm always there. I want her everywhere. She's beside me, I know I need never care. But to love her is to need her everywhere, knowing that love is to share. Each one believing that love never dies, watching her eyes and knowing I'm always there. I'll be there and everywhere. Here, there and everywhere.